Did you know USA has over 4,000 universities and colleges? That's a ton of options, right? US universities offer some of the most diverse and vibrant education system in the world, allowing you to actually mix and match courses from different fields. Welcome to our channel, where we give you the best tips and insights for studying abroad. And today, I'll tell you about the admission process for US universities. So grab a notebook, hit the like button and subscribe for more such amazing content. Let's get started. So the first step is researching universities. Start by identifying universities that align with your career goals and interests. Consider factors like campus culture, internship opportunities, location, faculty, and available majors. Step number 2 is understanding requirements. Each university has its own set of requirements, so make sure you know what's needed for each application. Step number 3 is preparing your application. This involves gathering all your necessary documents, writing personal statements, and possibly preparing for interviews. And step number 4 is submitting application. Make sure all the material is submitted within the specified deadlines. Now, many of you have asked, how do I get admission in US universities from India? Well, the process is pretty similar to that of domestic students with few extra steps like visa application. But don't worry, I'll cover everything you need to know. So start with standardized tests. Take tests like SAT and ACT for undergraduate programs and GRE and GMAT for graduate programs. Step 2 is language proficiency. Demonstrate your English language proficiency through tests like IELTS and TOEFL. Step 3 is student visa. Apply for an F1 visa requiring a proof of acceptance from a US university. Step number 4 is financial support. Show the proof of financial resources to support your living expenses and tuition fee. And step number 5 is pre-departure preparations. Attend pre-departure orientations, understand the cultural differences, and prepare for the transition. Speaking of tests, let's talk about the documents required for a US university admission. So, you'll need your academic transcript, your SAT and ACT scores, letter of recommendation, your SOP, and a resume. Make sure all the documents are in order when applying. Also, if you need a detailed video on how to write a killer SOP, don't forget to check out our other video covering that topic. Timing is everything, so be aware of US universities' application deadlines. These can vary significantly from one school to another, so it's important to keep track. Also, some universities have specific admission decision dates when they notify applicants of their acceptance. Now, how to stand out among all the applicants? Well, it requires strong academic performance, exceptional test scores, impressive extracurricular activities, and a compelling personal statement. And that's a wrap on our today's video about undergraduate admission in US universities. Remember, planning and preparations are your best friend in this journey. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure to check the links in the description to know more about studying in USA or other destinations. And don't forget to subscribe.